Jaden, pick up the camera.
Fuck. YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy, Stay with me, Jaden. Back with another video, you feel me? Got the boy Jose in it. Oh, I'm sorry, Jose. Let's see the outside, bro. It's beautiful out here. Jeez, bro. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh my days. Oh my days, it's so beautiful. About to go outside, do a little adventure, bro.
We've got Jesus up there.
Jesus? With the necklace over there, bro. Was they about to whip it up on the stove?
Where y'all heading right now?
Key's house and then probably the arcade after.
Just let me know. I'm gonna try to wash my clothes right now.
Alright.
And then head to a laundromat.
Yeah, for sure. With the dryer and everything.
Yeah, bro. I don't need how much that is.
Alright, bro. Let's get it.
Text me.
Yeah, just text me, bro. Alright, bro. Safety.
Hello, passengers. For your safety, please stand back to the platform edge, especially when trains are entering and leaving the station.
Fuck man. Bro, you
I know, but why did he hate? Like, we had to do something.
I'm just a W hater, bro. What can I say?
Nigga wanted me to, like, to stand
Do
there
you
with
notice me? Do you notice me? Yeah. He already said that last night.
Oh,
He said I got plus points.
bro.
Bro, come on. I'm keeping that in, by the way. I'm keeping that in, bro.
Why are
I'm
you
keeping that in.
bro?
I'm keeping that
Why
in,
are
bro.
you keeping?
You heard what he said, bro?
I said
He
fuck Long Island.
And he
bro.
said it again, yeah. I'm keeping
Fuck
both
Long
of them.
Island. Fuck Long Island. Bro.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Trying to sue.
Would you rather Would you rather? We're versing Would you rather? Guys, we're versing the A train. We're versing the A train. Guys, would you rather? Would you rather do the thing with your? Would you rather make sex with your?
He's a dumbass. He's stupid, bro. Damn, my arm my crib for the first time. Nah, facts.
The humble abode, bro.
Right, bro. You drew this?
My brother drew that.
The cat lease. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, your dad has the same face as you, bro. That's crazy. Yo, that's crazy. What was I gonna say? What are y'all trying to do?
Get this spot. Nice view of Manhattan. You finished editing today?
Pardon?
You was editing today?
Yeah.
All he does is edit when he gets home, bro. Yo, you in the city? She won. What you mean?
Oh, yeah. I know exactly which one. Which one, what color? Those are over here? Smiths?
Look how big this shit is, bro.
Nah, facts.
Like what? My mom's an engineer, so she worked like on the repairs for this shit.
For real?
I actually have like a cable from one of the cable strings.
You got a cable string?
Yeah. Another thing, I think it's like millions of like thousands of people died in those caissons, by the way, because of the air pressure.
This Game of Thrones ass bridge, bro. Fucking stone.
You got like what? 5 bridges? Some shit like that. Bridge right there.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. I might do some like South ghetto shit. I might pee in the corner, bro.
You gonna what?
I might pee in the corner.
This is my music over this?
I'm just gonna combos, bro.
Look at that skyline. My job is to make that when I come back here.
That's real.
Niggas can't hold me.
Yo, it's too cold for this, bro.
No, it's not. Get your blood up, nigga.
Yo, you just got mixed. He just mixed you. I got that on film. He just mixed you. Yo, he just mixed you. Yo, he just mixed you.
Smoke is long on out, bro.
Oh, shit.
Ah.
Curtis, what's the move, bro? Where we out to?
Upstairs.
Let's go upstairs, man.
This is Canal Street.
Attention everyone, if you have questions or need to report an issue to the booth, the NYPD is located at this station.
Transfer is available to the C and E trains.